2 ways to be able to see deleted messages from your WhatsApp without complications. In this video tutorial we will explain step by step how to see those deleted messages from your WhatsApp. The first thing we are going to do is watch the video tutorial step by step to be able to do this same process. What are we going to do? Well, first of all, what we are going to do is go to what is settings. This would be the first method. We are going to locate what is settings and we are going to enter the first configuration. What are we going to do here? Well, let's go here in notifications. It would be to locate the first option. We click here in notifications. Then we are going to find the advanced option. Select the advanced option. Here we are going to be able to find notification history. Notification history is, let's click here. Here we are going to be able to find all those messages. As you can see, here we are going to see those messages from our WhatsApp from the people who have written to us without having to download any application. I am going to clean the lens of our phone, and as you can see, here we are going to be able to find not only the messages, but also here are all the notifications. Here we also have everything. Here you will find all those messages here. Where it says WhatsApp we will be able to find all of those, both the numbers and the notifications here. We will also find other messages. The messages that we receive we will be able to find directly from here. We will also be able to find what are the emails that said we will use what is method number 2. Method number 2, we will download an application. We will download an application. We will click on it to load. It seems that it is a little slow. We will write here we will write application is called, I don't know, it is called application. It is this one. As you can see, we will click on it. We will click on open. We will open. We will make all those configurations. Here we will be able to find what are the notifications. Here we will be able to find the messages, and here are all the messages that have been written to us. Here we will be able to find them. Not only will we be able to find those messages, but we will also be able to find as well as Facebook and others. Here they are, as you can see. Here will be those deleted messages that are deleted. We will be able to find them directly from here.